All right. So we can start the class. You can use that bell because it makes noise and it gives you an idea of how you're moving. Okay, your movements. I want to explain to you what basic posture is. For a basic posture in belly dance, you have to not pull your hip in or push it out. Okay, you will not do that. You just have to stand straight and pull your stomach in. Just pull your, this is my normal stomach, you pull it in. Yeah, just pull it in and hold it while you dance. Okay, that will give you the strength to do the steps. You don't have to push out or pull in, go backwards like that. You just stand straight, bend a little with your knees and pull your stomach in. Bend a little. Okay, that is your basic posture. You will always be like this when you want to do some steps. All right. You will go up and down with regards to a step if you have to go up or you have to go down. But you have to base your weight on your bent knees. You will not always be standing straight and you will not always be going very low. It will just be slight bend. Okay, slightly bent. All right. Then we'll talk about isolations. Isolation means you moving only one part of your body. The part of the body that we are focusing on or the part of the body which we have to move, we will move only that, nothing else. So if I have to move my neck, I'll be moving only my neck, nothing else. Okay, you can practice it with me. If I'm moving only my left shoulder, then I'll be only moving my left shoulder, nothing else. Okay, I will not go up with it and come down with it, not like that. Only the left shoulder. Same with the right shoulder, only the right shoulder. Not both together, we are doing one at a time. We are doing one up, one down. One up, one down. Do that, one up, one down. Now if you do one shoulder roll, how will you do it? One shoulder circle. One shoulder circle. One shoulder circle. Nothing else is moving. Okay, one shoulder circle. Do the same thing with your other shoulder. One shoulder circle. One shoulder circle. Yeah? Did you all get that? Just show me a thumbs up, okay? You don't have to come and unmute yourself all the time. You can do this if you've got it. Yeah. Honey, I can't see you at all, okay? All right, so we begin with the first move. We're going to do a chest lift today. The bone which you have here, you will pull it up, down. From the side, it looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, Mahika, you're doing it well. Can I see Alina doing it? Chest lift. Alina, I can't see. No, Elena, no. Pull it up, back, up, down, up, down. Yeah. Maika, stand here, face me and do it now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, you can keep your hands far so that it's visible. The step is clear. Yeah. Now show me sides, shoulder slides. You will go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, don't move your hip. Don't move your hip. Don't do this. Just this. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, good. Practice. Yeah, more. Practice it more. Left, right. right, left, right. Now we'll do all four together. We'll do up, down, left, right. Okay, come on together. Up, down, left, right. Do it together. Up, down, left, right. Honey, show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it and show me. I'm looking at you. Okay, so you're moving your hip. You're doing this and this. You don't have to do this and this. We have to move your upper body left and right. My hip is where it is. I'm only going this way. Yeah? Okay. Do this circle. Do this circle. Go down, up. Do it slowly. Do it. Go circle and down. Go down, Manika. Yes, good. Good, Manika. Keep it up. Alina, show. Alina, you have to move your head, not your whole body. Only hip. Yes, honey, correct. Open your hands. Do the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. Go down, up, down, up. Do chest circle. Don't move your hip. For a chest circle, you will not move your hip. So what all have we learned? Can we revise? Chest lift, chest drop, chest slides, yeah, chest slides and chest circle. Show me a chest circle, yes, good. And a hip circle, yes, hip circle with you're going down. Mahika is doing the one in which she is going down. Can you come up and show? Very good. I'll play the music one last time. We'll revise all of this and do it on the music and we'll finish. Okay, we are finishing class early today. Go down, come up. will do well, you know, if you do the entire course and you go ahead also with the levels, you'll do really well. Neha is too
Thank you,
small.
ma'am.
Yeah, Neha is too small. Otherwise, I would have told her also. And, honey, even you can get better with a little practice, but Mahika currently is doing very well. You will be able to complete the whole course with what you're doing, okay? You
Okay.
can tell that to your mom. You are eligible to sign up for the course. All right. I hope you all enjoyed the class.
Okay, ma'am.
See you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.